hospital in Jad. This hospital is installing our 1.5 Tesla Helium-Free MRI system now. Now let us go inside the hospital. As you can see, many patients is waiting for here. Let me go to MRI room. We arrive in the MRI room. As you can see, the magnet is already in the room. Our engineer had already connected all the lines, electrical line. Here is the doctor room. Now still need installed. This is the equipment room. All MRI equipment is already installed and working very well. This MRI system will help more and more patients. For this hospital, this is the very biggest hospital in Jad. Maya Medical always together with you.